Hi everyone, I've got this fantastic opportunity to show you this lovely, beautifully presented throughout 2-bedroom semi-detached property. You can see we've got off-road parking for multiple cars here to the front and the side, and then we've got a garage to the back as well. And then coming in, you'll see how beautiful this property is. Very stylish throughout and very nice interior. Got a downstairs toilet there. And then we've got this fantastic kitchen just as we enter here. Integral appliances and lots of storage as well. And then we've got a beautiful lounge area here. You can see how nicely it's been decorated as well. Very generous sized room as well. Bay fronted, bringing in lots of natural light. And then we have our second reception room here, which is used as a dining room. Property's been very well maintained. And then we have the conservatory to the back. Again, another reception room. And then coming out of the conservatory into this fantastic low maintenance garden. Got a seating area to the rear. Property is sat on a very generous plot. You can see we've got a great sized garden, even with the addition of the garage there. Then you've got the driveway which comes all the way down the side of the property, and then you've even got room for off-road parking to the front as well. Now coming up to the first floor, we have 2 double bedrooms and a family bathroom. We are on the Ozone, which is a very popular part of Salford, within walking distance to Salford Royal Hospital, in catchment to fantastic local schools, great local parks nearby as well, lots of amenities and transport links into the city centre, Salford Quays, Media City and surrounding areas. You can see we've got main bedroom here, which is a double, got a little desk there as well, and seating areas under the bay windows. So that is a main bedroom which is located at the front of the property, and this is our second bedroom, which is being used as a spare bedroom and as a dressing area. Again, another great double bedroom here. Property has lots of natural light flooding through as well. And then we've got a beautiful landing area here as well. Again, another window, lots of natural light. And then we've got our bathroom, which is at the back of the property. Nice and modern. We've got a shower fitted there as well. This has been a property on Orama Avenue, 2 bedrooms, semi-detached. If you would like to inquire and arrange a viewing, please give our office a call on 061 707 4900.